Hello friends, good evening. I am Rajinder Jatana. Today I have come with derivatives of implicit functions. Learn with fun. A lot of fun is there in this, and you will enjoy this video. And I am coming up with my notes, and you will find that with the help of various cartoons, I shall be teaching you, and you will be just laughing and enjoying the video. And I hope you will share it with your friends. And if you like this video, please do subscribe. This will motivate me. And now I'm going to come with the notes I have prepared for you, and we'll discuss what the implicit functions are and what does it mean. So I'm coming here with my notes. Thank you very much. Here are my notes. Differentiation of implicit functions. Now look here. On the left side, there is Patlu Ram and Motu Ram. हम हैं जुदा जुदा, अकेले अकेले खड़े हुए हैं, वो अलग अलग खड़े हुए हैं, जुदा जुदा. They are called explicit functions. I have illustrated this with the help of examples number 1 and 2. Look here, y is on the left side and x terms are on the right side. Function is on the right side and y is on the other side. Now, with the help of this, you will come to know that there is a other case when Motu and Patlu, they are together. So they are mile jule. That is called implicit. Implicit means mile jule. X और y वाली terms देखिए इकट्ठी हैं, एक ही साइड पे हैं. Whereas in the case of जुदा जुदा वो अलग अलग थे. In the case of मिले जुले वो इकट्ठी terms हैं, x और y की terms इकट्ठी हैं. These are called implicit functions. So, and how to solve these questions of differentiation? So that I'll be teaching you on my next note with the help of examples. Look here, examples are here. So, first example is y is equal to sine x cube. Now, this is of the explicit. So, derivative of sine is cos, x cube बैठा रहेगा, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. Question is done. Very simple. Second example is y is equal to sine of cos of tan x square on the left side. So, sine का derivative cos. जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने दो. फिर next is cos. Cos का derivative minus sine. जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने दो. Next, tangent x square. उसका derivative secant square x square. X square का derivative 2x. So this is what it is. Now, I have told you the rules also. On the left side there is y, on the right side is there is x. So they are explicit. Now let us go to the implicit. xy is equal to c square, first example. So this, take the derivative of both sides. So there is a product rule. x छोड़ दो, y का derivative ले लो, y छोड़ दो, x का derivative ले लो. c square का derivative 0. So from here we can find dy by dx. Now, in the case of second example, sine xy plus y square x is equal to k. Now, take the derivative of both sides, ddx of all of them, 1 by 1. Sine xy ka cos xy. xy, there are two functions, apply the product rule. X ddx of y plus y